Hello kids, today we will learn bird's name in English. Let's start. Hornbill, this is a hornbill. Cuckoo, this is a cuckoo. Cock, this is a cock. Penguin, this is a penguin. Robin, this is a robin. Swan, this is a swan. Ostrich, this is a ostrich. Crow, this is a crow. Parrot, this is a parrot. Sparrow, this is a sparrow. Kingfisher, this is a kingfisher. Hen, this is a hen. Owl, this is a owl. Pigeon, this is a pigeon. Woodpecker, this is a woodpecker. Crane, this is a crane. Bat, this is a bat. Kite, this is a kite. Vulture, this is a vulture. Peacock, this is a peacock. Peahen, this is a peahen. Dove, this is a dove. Flamingo, this is a flamingo. Hawk cuckoo, this is a hawk cuckoo. Blue jay, this is a blue jay. Quail, this is a quail. Hoopoo bird, this is a hoopoo bird. Heron, this is a heron. Osprey, this is a osprey. Thanks for watching. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। बाय बाय।